Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Incorporated, through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center. Luba Furende GAHFU. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn about the Garifuna culture and history taught by Garifuna scholars from the diaspora. This is an invitation by GAHFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United. This is Radio Centroamerica with DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
welcome to DJ Labuga Garifuna Music and Talk. Thank you for having me every Wednesday coming to your home and entertain you and share my collection of Garifuna music with each and every one of you. It is 8:30 sharp right here in the West Coast, Long Beach, California, from the studios of DJ Labuga in the headquarters of radiocentroamerica.com, based in downtown Los Angeles at the Consulate of Guatemala building off of Wilshire and Normandy. Thank you once again. Welcome to my show. Tonight we are giving a very special tribute to Garifuna music from Honduras. And therefore I decided to make a selection of the best of Garifuna bands coming out of Honduras, whether they were recording in Honduras or they recorded music in New York or Los Angeles. So we got music from Caligar Band, Estrellas Ubo, Grupo H, Los Seaboys, Los Satélites, Lita Arira, Guiriga Impacto, La Gran Tribu Garifuna, Fernandez Band, Justo Castro and the Yurumen Band, Sopa and his Miligi Band, Cielpa, Libaña Maraza, Descarza Santa Fe, René Crisanto, and many, many more. So stay tuned and welcome to my show. This show is being recorded, and pretty soon, in the next 2 days, we will upload it on GAHFU channel on YouTube. And you could download it or just listen to it at home, in the office, wherever you are. So this great collection of music will be available anytime, whether you are in the United States, in Belize, in Honduras, Guatemala, Nicaragua, or in Yurumen, St. Vincent. I want to welcome our brand new listener, Mr. Martinez, the Guanaragua dancer from the Guanaragua group of Los Angeles. So welcome, Mr. Martinez. He is also interested in building his collection of Garifuna music. So Ivan Martinez, this is for you, my brother. A very special show and a very special welcome to you to DJ Labuga Garifuna Music and Talk. We are live every Wednesday, so tell a friend. We are at www.radiocentroamerica.com. And if you have a smartphone and you want to listen to us while you're on the go, you have to download an application called TuneIn, TuneIn, TuneIn. Download the application for free. Once you have the application installed on your phone, then you can look us up under Radio Centro America. Okay? So now you are informed. Don't forget to tell a friend to listen to us live. We're just at the beginning of a beautiful show. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga, paying a special tribute to Honduras' musical legacy. So today is a musical review of the best of Garifuna music from Honduras. So we're going to get started with a man that I have a lot of respect for. A man that came from Honduras, settled in Guatemala and Livingston and Puerto Barrios. He played with Black Fever. He trained some musicians like Gadu and many others to play the bass and to play the guitar and many instruments. He played and lived in Guatemala for a few, and then he went to Belize. In Belize, he played with La Runi Hati Band. And, of course, when I mention that name, you already know that I'm talking about the one and only René Crisanto. And René came to the United States. He settled in the East Coast, and about maybe 6-7 months ago, maybe a little bit longer, he passed away in a hospital in Houston, Texas. So in a special tribute to my very good friend and a very talented musician, René Crisanto, this is Diceba, a beautiful parranda song on the album that he recorded back in the 90s. And if I'm not mistaken, this album was called Suba. Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my show. This is Rene Crisanto, starting the show dedicated to Honduras' musical legacy.
Cuando te miro, mi negra, cuando te veo. loco, me pongo nervioso, me vuelvo loco. Regresa a mí, te necesito. Regresa a mí, te necesito. Porque te quiero, mi negra, porque te adoro. Porque te quiero, mi vida, porque te adoro. Regresa a mí, te necesito. Regresa a mí, te necesito. Oh, te necesito. Mañana, te necesito. Hoy, te necesito. Más tarde, te necesito. Oh, te necesito. Te necesito. Te necesito. Te necesito. Me pongo nervioso, me vuelvo loco. Me pongo nervioso, me vuelvo loco. Porque te quiero, mi vida, porque te adoro. Porque te quiero, mi vida, porque te adoro. Regresa a mí, te necesito. Regresa a mí, te necesito. Oh, te necesito. Mañana, te necesito. Hoy, te necesito. Matarte, te necesito. Ven a mí, te necesito. Otra vez, te necesito. A mi lado, te necesito. Te necesito.
Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my show, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. We are honoring and celebrating the musical legacy of Honduras. Yes, I want to send a big shout out to Dora Valenzuela, Elsa Susana Fuentes Garcia, listening right here in Long Beach. Also, Ivan Martinez, the Guanaragua dancer. Thank you for joining us through www.radiocentroamerica.com. Also listening in Boston is Guaro Castillo Dolmo. Yes, que mutia. Jorge Amilcar Ellington is also listening, and many, many more people. Okay, so we are live and direct. This is DJ Labuga, and we're paying a very special tribute to the legacy of Garifuna music from Honduras. So we shall continue. We are live from the studios in Long Beach. We have music from Caligar Band, Yurumen Band, Grupo H. We also have Estrella Subo, Los Seaboys, Los Satélites, Lita Ariran, that is the band from Aurelio Martinez before he became a big time. Giriga Impacto, La Gran Tribu Garifuna, you're going to love that band. Fernandez Band, Justo Castro and Yurumen Band, Sopa and Miliki, as well as many, many more. We have a listener on the line calling in, so we're going to take the phone call. Hello, how are you? Dechi, ¿cómo estás, papá?
¿Cómo estás, Johnny?
¿Qué tal? Te tenemos en vivo, mi amor, ahí en la Radio Centroamérica. Un saludo para toda la mara que nos escucha allá en Puerto Barrios. Mandales un saludo, te tenemos en vivo.
¿Oh, sí?
Sí, claro.
Ronnie, fíjate
Sí.
que yo molestándote, no sé si agarraste mi mensaje.
Mami, no, todavía no. Pero, hey, mandale un saludo a nuestra gente que está en vivo ahorita escuchándonos en Radio Centroamérica. Aquí estamos tocando lo mejor de la música garífuna, así es de que un saludito y ahorita te regreso la llamada personal para hablar, ¿oíste? Pero para mientras, saludame a la audiencia que te está escuchando en vivo.
Ok, pues.
Vaya pues, mi amor, mucho gusto, saludos. Esta es Radio Centroamérica. We're live and direct. We got a phone call from Dechi and, of course, Alicia Belteton. They are from Puerto Barrios, Guatemala, but they are living here in Los Angeles. So thank you for listening to www Radio Centroamérica. We are live and direct. Okay, so we got more music, but in the meantime, we're going to do a little station ID in Spanish and in English. ¿Qué motea?
This is Radio Centroamérica with DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ Labuga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos.
All right, beautiful. I wanted to also mention that we have been uploading all of our shows weekly, every Wednesday. We have had Miami Martinez, Mando Ballesteros, a tribute to Garifuna Kids, a tribute to music from Guatemala, a tribute to Parranderos. So all of those shows are being uploaded on our GAHFU channel on YouTube. GAHFU, GAHFU, GAHFU. GAHFU channel is on YouTube, and that's where you could go and click on the video, and you'll be able to listen to the 2-hour show on demand wherever you are, whether you're in the office, in the gym, at home relaxing, or basically just want to kill some time. So listen to our shows that have been recorded weekly on demand for free. So thank you once again. Now we have a very special guest, and this is the music from another one of my favorite bands from Honduras, out of New York. This is Caligar Band. Caligar Band is owned by Mr. Caligar Man Garcia, who lives in New York. I wasn't able to get in touch with him. I wanted to put him live on the air. But if he's listening to the show tonight, I would ask him to call me at 323-898-6841 so that we could chat live on the radio and talk about the legacy of beautiful Caligar Band. Here we go. Here's the music. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're listening to Caligar Band. This is a beautiful rendition of a song called Masali, and this is Caligar Band from Honduras in New York. Kemotia wabinaha wafeduha. This is your weekly show, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga.
Nigira yaligo libiri karimo Kuchanuago idogo Nigira yaligo libiri karimo Kuchanuago idogo Sagi hafuridu hasaligo Anumo yanege Lumo yanege Mosati lindo Yantida de la maro Ahu La nene kate ne Hey, Gonzalo. Nigira yaligo libiri karimo Kuchanuago idogo Nigira yaligo libiri karimo Kuchanuago idogo Sinya hapuridu hasanigo Anumo Lumo nyanege mosati lindo Nyantida de la mano Bailalo Mira, búscale lu bagambo Oye mami, yo quiero que tú te caligas ambientes y tú lo harás moviendo, gozando, moviendo, gozando, moviendo, gozando, moviendo, gozando. ¡Acha! Caligar ambientate. Y así mismo seguimos, bueno. Anugulejando, mami. Padiga de luz y dale lísimo. ¿Por qué no tienes que bailar esta bunda caliente? ¿Por qué no tienes que bailar esta bunda caliente? Oye mi nena de paga que me siento caliente. Oye mi nena de paga que me siento caliente. Porque no puedo ni dormir, me siento caliente. Porque no puedo ni salir, me siento caliente. Porque no puedo ni dormir, porque no puedo ni salir. Oye, ¿qué es lo que pasa aquí? Que te miro muy triste. Oye, ¿qué es lo que pasa aquí? Que te miro muy triste. Porque tú tienes que bailar, porque tú tienes que gozar, porque tú tienes que bailar. Oye, tú tienes que gozar. Yo muy hermosa lindo, hey, aña y tira de la madre.
Ibiasa yo casa me getebo, Maria no na boba debo. Gira boga sagunari hitebo, mama boa mano ni se bogo yano. Ahe boele hanu fede yati na boy, casa me getebo, mahati go Maria hanu. Ibiasa yo casa me getebo, Maria hanu no na boba debo. Ibiasa yo casa me getebo, Maria hanu no na boba debo. Gira boga sagunari hitebo, mama boa mano ni se bogo yano. Ahe boele hanu fede yadina boy, kapuna me getebo, mahate bo Maria hanu. Bana matuwe ono motivo Usika numbu agobo ma beberero no Sagunari hinibu na buru yatebo Laute sumo na bombadina Kaganira bana matuwe ono motivo Usika numbu agobo ma beberero no Sagunari hinibu na buru yatebo Laute sumo na bombadina Isegidi bulano, kenyo magadieba. Ibi mafinyeba, luaguna niyegobo. Isegidi bulano, kenyo magadieba. Ibi mafinyeba, luaguna niyegobo. Isegidi bulano, kenyo magadieba. Isegidi bolano, kenyo magadieba. Ibi mafinyeba, laguna niyegobo. Isegidi bolano, kenyo magadieba. Ibi mafinyeba, laguna niyegobo. Isegidi bolano, kenyo magadieba. Llámeme Badina, Akura Babo. Llámeme Badina, Akura Babo. Llámeme Badina, Akura Babo. Isegidi bono, Isegidi bono, Isegidi bono, Isegidi bono, Isegidi bono, Isegidi bono.
This is RadioCentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa. Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad Garifuna con DJ La Buga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're back again. This is DJ La Buga live and direct with Garifuna Music and Talk. Tonight's show is a very special rendition of Garifuna music from Honduras. We have Caligar Band on the turntables right now. Pretty soon, and in the next tune, we're going to switch to Estrella Subo. I want you to meet this wonderful band from New York, also of Honduran descent. These are from the Garcia family, from Doña Chana Garcia and the Will Garcia, who live right here in Los Angeles, and their relatives who are the band members who live in New York and form this wonderful band called Estrella Subo. Okay, so we're going to play the last song from Caligar Band. This is called Punta Nanibe. So here we go. We got more music for you coming up on a special Honduras musical review. I want to welcome Dale Ogaldes, who was listening to Puntology a little bit earlier today with Don Julian from New York, and now has switched after the show has ended to radiocentroamerica.com, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30. Welcome, and big up to Tigre Mejia, who is listening also, and who is liking us on Facebook. And if you like us on Facebook, make sure that you also go to the Garifuna Heritage Foundation page. It's the company page, and like us there. We need the likes so that we could actually prove that we have a lot of listeners on our radio show every Wednesday. Kemotia, Caligar Band. This is their last song.
I'm singing this song from the bottom of my heart, and it's dedicated to you.
Yugule bete wama. Wani tele. Hey. Luar ko maupo. Helitani merua. Helitani merua. Helitani merua. Helitani merua. Emerua ni bariko. Emerua ni bobugo. Emerua ni bobugo. Emerua bobu barugo. 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 Emerua ni bobu agadiri, bobu agadiri, bobu agadiri. Bo, 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 bo. Como dia? Mama, mama, mama. Onsu huli ligatin. Wadanya ya, beri lagi. Yugul hamite wama. Halagu aguero, halagu aguero. Ita bari di paguero. Ita bari di poco aguero. Ita bari di to aguero. Kita, kita. Balisina. Wadi maluna. Ondera wamatia. Helitani merua. Helitani merua. Helitani merua. Helitani merua. Emerua ni barigo. Emerua ni bobugo. Emerua ni bobugo. Emerua bobu barugo. 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 Emerua ni bobu agadiri, bobu agadiri, bobu agadiri. Bo, 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 bo. Hey. Nanari me kate pa. Ini atuga pe. Ini jugule pe. Ini atuga pe. Ini jugule pe. Aquí. Halagu aguero, halagu aguero.
Rogita galane que pija manate. Rogita galane que pija manate. Rogita galane que pija manate.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is DJ Labuga live and direct. This is my radio show that comes on every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. We are presenting to you the music of Honduran Garinagu, the best, the legacy of Garifuna music coming from the beautiful country of Honduras. Now we are presenting to you, Estrella Subo, and this is the song Pia Manadi. It's a beautiful rendition of an old song. But I want to send a big shout out to Ms. Deo Logaldes listening in Chicago. Also LMB Roots listening, of course. Our friends in New York. Carlos Lopez also listening in Hollywood, California. Who else is listening out there? My very good friend Dechi and Alicia Belteton. Dechi Arana is listening in Los Angeles as well. Elia Susana Fuentes Garcia, Dora Valenzuela, Waro Castillo Dolmo in Boston, Massachusetts. Jorge Amilcar Ellington as well listening in. I think he is in New York, if not mistaken. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Kemotea, Wabinaha, Wafeduha. Luma, Jelabuga. Okay, we're going to play this song again. We're going to rewind it. Yes.
Pull it up, selector. Pull it up, Roita que la negue pija manate. 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 Supusi la limilole. Supusi la li Adrian. Supusi la li Takale. Supusi la li Georgile. Roita que la negue pija manate. 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 Supusi la li Jimile. Supusi la li Jitile. Supusi la li Takwele. Supusi la li Mariule. Saga la negue pija manate. Roita que la negue pija manate. Roita que la negue pija manate. Roita que la negue pija manate. Matugabe, Tunya Besa, Matugabe, Ru Besa, Matugabe, Chipa Besa, Matugabe, Dala, Dayala, Dayala, oh Chulayala, Dala, Dala, Dayala, Dayala, oh Chulayala, Dala, Dala, oh Chulala, Dala, Dala, Chulala. Dayala, dayala, oh chulayala, dala, dala, chulala, dala, dala, chulala, dayala. Amagani dapatia, nugo choro, lago wago deme. Emaya huwa patia, namulenye, lago ipagare. Enapura godatia po namulenye lago agoneme ala le gabo le bugala nege merigomo ajala ala le gabo le bugala nege merigomo enagalu agua nege woni wagwa.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook. If you are on Facebook, please find me as Ronnie Figueroa, R-O-N-Y Figueroa, and we could chat and we could take your greetings and of course shout outs to anybody. So check me out on Facebook, Ronnie Figueroa, R-O-N-Y Figueroa.
Amatuga baile, only mirahinya. No, 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 Dios mío. No, 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 manuga ponta nugusura. No, 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 Dios mío. No, 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 no.
Yes, and why not? I want to send a big shout out to Don Julian, Alex Ciego, and Linda Lino for doing a great show on Puntology earlier today on LMB Roots Radio. This is from Dale Ogaldes and all of us from Radio Centroamérica and DJ La Buga. You are listening to Jimmy Suazo, Malapolia, another big performer from Honduras. Rest in peace, Jimmy.
Pull it up, selector. Venga, Latinoamérica en general, Belice, Honduras, Guatemala y todo el mundo va a bailar. Mucho cuidado con esta enfermedad del siglo porque si no acabará con nosotros. Síndrome maravillate, que la que lo bobago, ay síndrome maravillate.
Grupo H's turn. After we listen to Jimmy Suazo, rest in peace, and of course Mr. René Crisanto, the maestro, who also is resting in peace, we enter a new era of music with Grupo H, with Belito Arzu, with on the lead keyboards, Gerardo Núñez on the bass, and of course El Cabo on the lead vocals. So here we go again, bringing it back. Grupo H. This is a tribute to Garifuna music from Honduras. Honduras Musical Review. Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ Labuga. Every Wednesday. Saludo muy cordial para Luis Escobar from Puerto Barrios, listening right here in Los Angeles, California. Also Maritza Palacios, who is out of state. She is in Nebraska, I think. Who else? Garifuna, Pablo Blanco, listening. Delo Galdes, Mama Garifuna. Kemotia, Wabinaha. Grupo H on the turntables.
así. Y a hoy ya nadie me quiere, y a hoy ya nadie me quiere a mí. Y a hoy ya nadie me quiere, y a hoy ya nadie me quiere a mí. Ay. Ella me sabe
and gentlemen, we're doing a musical review of Garifuna music from Honduras. This is DJ Labuga live and direct. I want to send a big shout out to my very good friend Jerry Cayetano. Jerry Castro Cayetano listening. He says, Itarala, Mabuiga, Yagie, M.O. Abuti, Kemotia. Big up to you, Jerry, to Dale Ogaldes, Carlos Lopez, listening right here in Hollywood, California, Dora Valenzuela, and many, many more people who are listening online. Also, Ivan Martinez, the Wanarawa dancer who is listening to us for the very first time. Of course, welcome Ivan Martinez from the Wanarawa Dance Group of Los Angeles. He is in love with my collection of music, and of course, he wants to get a copy of it. I want to send a big shout out to Tigre Ahu Mejia Kemotia, listening as well, wherever he is. And if you want to hook up with me on Facebook, find me as Ronnie Figueroa, R-O-N-Y Figueroa, and we'll play your music. We'll stay connected, and you not only get to listen to the songs, but also you get to see the names of the songs, so you could actually get them either online or through someone out there. I want to send a big shout out to Cheryl Norales from Dale Ogaldes. And she says, I know that she's dancing over there. Of course, she's been dancing. She comes in and out of the studio dancing and having a good time. That's how Cheryl is. Kemotia, Wabinaha, we're live and direct. A big up to Soon, Erika Zuniga listening as well. Haha, Eva Del Rey listening, Labuga Livingston. Eva, how are you? I hope you're having a good time in Livingston. She says, hi, Ronnie. We are listening from Labuga. We're listening right here at Luba Furende, Guamilitu, Barrio Guamilitu in Labuga, Livingston. Thank you for listening. We love you guys. Also, a big shout out to Miss Indira Castillo and Michael J. Cordero. They're always listening every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m.
Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United Incorporated, through its Clifford J. Palacio Garifuna Language and Culture Academy, invites you to the Saturday classes every Saturday at 11 in the morning at 8039 South Vermont, Los Angeles, California, 90044, corner of 81st and Vermont. For more information, visit our website, www.garifunaheritagefoundation.org, or call 323-898-6841. We are right on the corner of Vermont at 81st at the Community Center, Luba Furende GAHFU. Guest teachers every week. Don't forget, language and drumming, as well as Zumba Luma Punta classes for free for all, every Saturday beginning March 22nd throughout the year 2014, 11 a.m. for the Garifuna language classes and 12 o'clock for the Zumba Luma Punta. Get fit, stay fit with Zumba Luma Punta. Free classes for the entire family. Bring your drums and bring the family, and we'll have a good time. Learn Garifuna classes are interactive, and you will learn through singing and drumming. Come and learn about the Garifuna culture and history taught by Garifuna scholars from the diaspora. This is an invitation by GAHFU, the Garifuna American Heritage Foundation United. Esta es Radio Centroamérica y su programa de música y de temas de la comunidad garífuna con DJ Labuga, que se transmite a través de www.radiocentroamerica.com todos los miércoles de 8:30 a 10:30 de la noche. Escúchenos. This is radiocentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our radio show every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. I want to send another big shout out coming from Dale Ogaldes. She says a big shout out to my cousin Erika Zuniga, and America Zuniga. Of course, they are here in Los Angeles, and Dale Ogaldes is listening live in Chicago, the Windy City. A big shout out to Luis, my very good friend from Puerto Barrios, of course. I'm trying to find his name right here. He's been listening to our radio show for a couple of minutes now. So a big shout out to Luis my very good friend from Puerto Barrios, listening live tonight. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we got more Sea-Boys, Los Sea-Boys from Honduras, and this is a song called Los Sea-Boys.
Suena mejor. Si alguien te pregunta qué suena mejor, no lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys. No lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys. Si alguien te pregunta qué quiere bailar, si alguien te pregunta qué quiere gozar, no lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys. No lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys. ¡Ja, ja! ¿Quién suena mejor? Si alguien te pregunta ¿quién suena mejor? No lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys. No lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys. Si alguien te pregunta qué quiere bailar, si alguien te pregunta qué quiere gozar, no lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys. No lo pienses mucho, dile los Sea-Boys.
in New York. And of course, that's the band from J. King. J. King was the owner of that beautiful band that is no longer with us. I want to send a big shout out to Sandra Lam listening as well. I think she's listening in Guatemala. Thank you so much for listening to RadioCentroamerica.com, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Today we have a Honduras musical review. We are playing music by, well, we already played Caligar Band, Estrella Subo, Grupo H, Los Sea-Boys right now. We just played the last song from Los Sea-Boys, and now we move on to Los Satélites de Honduras. Okay, so we're recording the show for you to listen on demand when you have the time. We're going to play this song by Los Satélites de Honduras, and this is a special arrangement. It's a special mix by Big Junior with Los Satélites. Kemotia, Wabinaha, Wafeduha, Nitu Chila.
Yama, Urua, Gadur. Ajata satellite ni dunia. Ibibu ya pia.
Honduras, Kemotia.
Chilani turawa, ania kusandia duga bulanao. Chilani turawa, ania kusandia duga bulanao. Hey bugana kale, lomba Hondurama, alwa garani, larayarani. Hey bugana kale, lomba Hondurama, alwa garani, larayarani. Ay vaya kubaka, yengiena gamba la gubi gundala. Ay vaya kubaka, yengiena gamba la gubi gundala. Maka baiba guiro, nikuma ya kuaba. Anite buwe yure, lumela chulurubo. Maka baiba guiro, nikuma ya kuaba. Anite buwe yure, lumela chulurubo. Onke sumutu nyingulili gati. Satellite de ha. Mesa reina Benjimane, ay no ve mesa, igira mesa reina Benjimane. Ay la muga bana bunuo, amali banya baba, ariga na muganya, lobana nugoma. Ay la muga bana bunuo, amali banya baba, ariga na muganya, lobana nugoma. Agaisa Benjimane, nyuduka Benjimane. Agaisa Benjimane, nyuduka Benjimane. Aligili tuno, alwa galara nilora. 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 Aligili tuno, alwa galara nilora.
Wow, beautiful music from Benny Guerrero in New York y sus satélites. He happens to be Big Junior's father. Big Junior is the keyboard player, arranger, and a musical genius who is now playing with Punta Cartel in Los Angeles. So Benny Guerrero in New York y sus satélites. That's who we feature right now on a musical review of Honduras Garifuna music. Kemotia Wabinaha. A big up, again, a big shout out to Erika Zuniga, who is sending a big shout out to family out there in Chicago, to Del Ogaldes. So thank you for listening. It's my Wednesday show from 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. right here on www.radiocentroamerica.com. This is called Da Viara, Benny Guerrero in New York y sus satélites. ¡Qué motia! Classic!
Nahayata ni Nuhinu. Uye de Hagam Dile. bugana kali montaña da toma faradio. Ei bugana kali montaña mama toma faradio. Ei bugana kali montaña da na bugu toma faradio. Ei bugana kali montaña mama na bugu toma faradio. Hatiya resule barbaye dame bachulurungo. Aini hatiya resule barbaye mama dame bachulurungo. Aini hatiya resule barbayo kuni me mama dame yo bachulurungo. Aini hatiya resule barbaye mama kuni me mama dame yo bachulurungo. Nuba menyo tia tuni me mama dame bachulurungo. Ay mabuga nuba menyo tia tuni me da dame bachulurungo. Ay mabuga nuba menyo tuni me mama anire chilo tuluyate magadiate. Ay mabuga nuba menyo tuni me da anire chilo tuluyate magadiate. Anire chilo chuluyate 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 magadiate.
Classic music, ladies and gentlemen. Benny Guerrero, Nueva York y sus satélites. Beautiful music. That was the song from an old LP that we have in our archives right here with DJ Labuga. Garifuna Music and Talk every Wednesday 8:30 to 10:30. Don't forget, tell a friend every Wednesday 8:30 p.m. we are on. Okay, now it is the turn for La Gran Tribu Garifuna. This is a wonderful band that started in New York, moved to Houston, Texas, and then disappeared. But that band, La Gran Tribu Garifuna, was also made up of seasoned musicians such as Benny Guerrero and many, many more. So here we go. We're going to listen to Kabasa Numari by La Gran Tribu Garifuna. This is DJ La Buga live and direct. Kemotia.
Kabasa nobody ma. My God. Kabasa nobody ma. Abasando, abamonga, abaira, hito pedu beitosa. Abasando, abamonga, abaira, hito pedu beitosa.
That's the beautiful music of La Gran Tribu Garifuna, to remember and that this is our weekly radio show on www.radiocentroamerica.com. I want to send a big shout out to new listeners joining in. Roman Marin from Casa Honduras listening. Arita Williams as well listening to La Gran Tribu Garifuna. Soon Erika Zuniga is listening, and she says this is the perfect music for Zumba Luma Punta, and she is one of the instructors that teaches the Zumba Luma Punta here in Los Angeles, which is coming up again at the end of July. We are going to offer free classes again for the next 8 weeks at the end of July, in 8 weeks for the session of 1 hour of Zumba Luma Punta for free right here in Los Angeles. I want to send a big shout out to the #1 drummer in the world, Mr. Chocolat Alvarez, Chuguladi Alvarez, listening in New York, as well as Elia Susana Fuentes Garcia, listening in Long Beach, Maritza Palacio, listening in Nebraska or somewhere out there in Middle America. Also, my very good friend Maritza Palacios, Dale Ogaldes, Sandra Lam, listening in Guatemala. Also Indira Castillo, Eva del Rey, listening in La Buga, Livingston, Barrio Guamilitu, over there, Lugudi Barana, along the beach, right there in La Buga, Livingston. Jerry Castro Cayetano listening as well in Houston, Texas, or wherever he is. This is the traveling man. Dora D. Valenzuela listening also in the Valley here in LA County, as well as, let's see, and we got so many people online right now. So if you want to join me in the conversation, you could tune in to www.radiocentroamerica.com, and also befriend me on Facebook. I'm on Facebook as Ronnie Figueroa, R-O-N-Y Figueroa on Facebook, so you could actually not only listen to the songs, but also read the names of each one of the tunes that we're playing for you. Carlos Lopez listening also in Hollywood. He says, saludos DJ La Buga, ya estamos puestos para tu show, listening live in Hollywood, California. Thank you once again. We are doing a musical review of the beautiful musical legacy of Honduras. And now we have on the turntable La Gran Tribu Garifuna. And this is the next song called Tuma Garadu.
Todo lo que tuve te lo di.
Gran Tribu Garifuna, right here, Radio Centroamérica.
Si tú me dejas no podré esta angustia resistir. Todo lo que tuve te lo di, mi vida entera te ofrecí. Si tú me dejas no podré esta angustia resistir. Resistir no te olvidaré, prefiero estar muerto que vivir. En esta gran soledad, presiento que no te olvidaré, prefiero estar muerto que vivir. En esta cruel soledad.
This is radiocentroamerica.com, the station without borders. Let us know what you want to hear by calling 323-898-6841 or from our Facebook page at Ronnie Figueroa.
Yo soy Garifuna, yo soy Garifuna. Me gusta bailar la música por su ritmo y gran sabor. Me gusta bailar la música por su ritmo y gran sabor. El hipócrita por lo que se le hice por la noche sin cesar. Para orientar mis pesares y mi lamento debo escuchar. Para orientar mis pesares y mi lamento debo escuchar. Cuando estaba en mi pueblito mi vida era de pescar. Vas a bailar cacería y el campo de cultivar. Vas a bailar cacería y el campo de cultivar. Yo soy Garifuna. Yo soy Garifuna. Me gusta bailar la música por su ritmo y gran sabor. Me gusta bailar la música por su ritmo y gran sabor. Vaya familia, nueva la cinturita, Latinoamérica, que vuelve la tribu.
Beautiful music of La Gran Tribu Garifuna from Honduras via New York and then Houston. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we shall continue with our show every Wednesday, 8:30 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. We're having a good time. We got a lot of people listening from the East Coast to the West Coast, to the North, to the South. Yes, and thank you for listening and giving me that support that we need. Remember, we don't make money here. It's just about the personal satisfaction that we're doing a good job keeping up with the Garifuna music, the culture, and keeping the culture alive. I want to send a big shout out again to Roman Marin from Casa Honduras, Artesia Welch, listening in Hollywood, of course. She's in the city of the stars, Hollywood, California. Artesia Welch, very good friend, of course, a dancer from LGE, Garifuna Drumming and Dance Group, right here in Los Angeles, which is led by Miss Erika Zuniga. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to change the pace now. We got a new artist. And of course, everybody knows about Aurelio Martinez. We're going to play Aurelio Martinez next. And this is a beautiful rendition of a song called Africa. Okay? So we are featuring a musical review of Garifuna music from Honduras. This is DJ Labuga, Garifuna Music and Talk. We are live from Long Beach, California, in our studios. Straight from Long Beach to our headquarters in downtown Los Angeles at the Guatemalan Consulate. That's where www.radiocentroamerica.com has the studios.
No diba, me Africa. No diba, arigawarige. No diba, me Africa. No diba, arigawarige. Ita jame, nabulida ye, me Africa. Ita jame, nabulida ye, me Africa. Oh, Africa. Hey, Africa. Hakuchagani nago. Hey, Africa. Oh, Africa. Haduna buritio. Africa, hey, agi ao, mabulia ikunu pae, Africa. Hey, Africa, oh, Africa, hakuchakali nago, hey, Africa. Oh, Africa, hayuna muritinho. Itayame, nabulida ya me Africa. Itayame, nabulida ya me Africa. Oh, Africa, hey Africa, hakuchakali nago, hey Africa. Oh, Africa, hayuna muritinho. Ay kaba ariagano, ay mama Africa now, hey Africa, oh Africa, Africa galinago. Hey nyere galinago, pliega male haguja. Hey nyere muridio, pliega male hayuna. Hey agi ao. Africa, hey, agi ao, mapulia itunu bae, Africa. Oh Africa, hakuchagari nago. Hey Africa, oh Africa, hayuna buritinho. Hey Africa, oh Africa, hakuchagari nago. Hey Africa, oh Africa, hayuna buritinho.
Radio Centroamerica with our weekly show, DJ La Buga, Garifuna Music and Talk with DJ La Buga. Okay, now we have another one from Aurelio. We're going to speed it up because we're coming to the end of the show, but we got more music by Guiriga Impacto Fernandez Band, Sopa, and his Miligi Band, of course, Cielpa, and Libaña Marraza. Aurelio Martinez, one more.
Luma can watch a little. Biansa irumo. Wonston gunye. Luma can watch a little. Lidon fulasule. Wafe tukale. Wafe tukale. Wafe tukale. Luma tango. Wafe tukale. Wafe tukale. Wafe tukale.
Big shout out to Aru Fudahati Frank Palacio listening in Gardena, California.
Vamos a
we have Fernandez Band.
Camina con mi tío, la andamos muy loco, ven a mí un betico, camina con mi tío, la andamos muy loco, ven a mí un betico, la andamos la popo, 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 camina con mi tío, la andamos muy loco, ven a mí un betico, la andamos la popo, camina con mi tío, la andamos muy loco, ven a mí un betico, la andamos la popo, 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 rodilla.
Llamo Sungarina go, Ugana Belisin Hondurana. Lume Hayabi, Abina Mamaya, Lida Meliferia Corosal. Nimanya Musa Fernando Baba, Nimbe Chichi Ada Nimbe.
Bomba! Haru chuchu! Acha! Haru, haru! Bomba! Papi, papi! Mami! Mami, mami!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is Sopa. Es su grupo Miliki and his Miliki Band from Roatán, Honduras. ¡Qué emoción!
Hey, Buganale, Laro Bay! Hey, Buganale, Laro Bay! Hey, Buganale, Laro Bay! Hey, Buganale, Laro Bay! Oh, Ale yo me quiero número no. Oh, Ale yo me quiero número no. He caminado por la playa, he caminado por la playa, he caminado por la playa, he caminado por la playa. Pájaro, ¿a dónde dejaste mi mujer? Pájaro, ¿a dónde dejaste mi mujer? Pájaro, ¿a dónde dejaste mi mujer? ¡Ey, bomba! ¡Ey, bomba! Mami, soy Sopa, te invito a puntear, baby, ¿ok? Si una puta quieres bailar, conmigo aprenderás. Moviendo la cintura, así vas a aprender. Conmigo, nena. Baila puta, baila mi puta, baila puta, ¿cómo te gusta? Bailando mi puta, nena. Bailando mi puta, mami. Voy.
cuando mueves la cintura, eres la tentadora. Y cuando mueves la cintura, eres la tentadora. Esa cintura tan bonita, mami, dámelo a mí. Esa cintura tan bonita, mami, dámelo a mí. Y yo seré tu remolino hasta que amanezca. Y yo seré tu remolino hasta que amanezca. Vuela, no me importa, mami.
Sopa.
Vuela, no me importa, nena.
We're going to speed up the show a little bit. We are a little bit running out of time. We are on 10:46 p.m. right now, West Pacific Standard Time, 10:46 p.m. The show is supposed to end at 10:30, so I don't have a problem. We shall continue, but I want to make sure I include each and every one of the bands that I advertised on my webpage, on my Facebook page. And now we open the doors to a wonderful band called Libaña Maraza from Marcelino Fernandez, Mr. Libaña Maraza himself. Okay, Kemotea, Wa Binaha, Wa Feduha, Luma DJ La Buga. Every Wednesday, Libaña Maraza.
apagare, Maria Heide, la gaira nasinho, y peña pedir ti apagare, Maria Heide, la gaira nasinho, ya no más tu boca de mi vida, ameada Aluma, tobuga, menira. Aluma, tobuga, menira. Aluma, tobuga, menira. Namada que le haga madre. Tambugale, gayabu kirinaya. Tambugale, gayabu kirinaya. Tambugale gayabu gidina Sagbe ati mwelo basi Ogwele malanani anya Ogwele malanani anya Abosero onelo Ogwele malanani anya Ogwele malanani anya Abusero onelo Bagunyoto alinege yanu anuago Nolawamo
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now Sielpa. Taita.
La nari menangi bauna mula luo. Aria ya bai me yo let's set me bu. Pull it up selector. Pull it up selector. Colongo, Camila Barana, Yara Mario, Guagua, Muña, familia, no mataruno. Ganulira, Yara Mario, Guiñe, Luyala, Nenge, Unae, Uluyala, Dura Colongo, Camila Barana, Yara Mario. Furillo pa, dame takamuni uganulira. Tota kudeme nyanu, ayo, agulidura.
Amadu Brido, Anugu ni Sato Nuguchi, Anuwa Hagulara Niluga.
Viviendo, no kula nugubana, Sami, waku waku nugile.
Bali Bidienu, Wagula Nugubala.
Sami, waku waku nugile.
Uma Olugaya, Umanu Hameli Raya, Uhalisi Yaya, Nugutita Bidal Niye.
Uwasakaraya, kono wawa wawa kulera.
Uma Olugaya, Umanu Hameli Raya, Uhalisi Yaya, Nugutita Bidal Niye.
Uwasakaraya, kono wawa wawa kulera.
Gerara Hadina, Tabu Kamiato, Alire Hadina, Tabu Kamiato.
Kurana, meyo na kuira. Pola nugu chile, bari abamunawa.
Gerara Hadina, Tabu Kamiato, Alire Hadina, Tabu Kamiato.
Kurana, meyo na kuira. Pola nugu chile, bari abamunawa.
Oha Olugaya, Pumanu Amelidaya, Oha Lisiaya, Nugutita Bidalnie.
Uwasakaraya, kono wawa wawa kulera.
Oha Olugaya, Pumanu Amelidaya, Oha Lisiaya, Nugutita Bidalnie.
Uwasakaraya, kono wawa wawa kulera.
Moguillo Nugutile, Ayumura Kwatinapu.
Kurubano wako, meyo nugu chile. Salala mugabo, kuita que me cambiando.
Moguillo Nugutile, Ayumura Kwatinapu.
Kurubano wako, meyo nugu chile. Salala mugabo, kuita que me cambiando.
Oha Olugaya, Pumanu Amelidaya, Oha Lisiaya, Nugutita Bidalnie.
Uwasakaraya, kono wawa wawa kulera.
Oha Olugaya, Pumanu Amelidaya, Oha Lisiaya, Nugutita Bidalnie.
Uwasakaraya, kono wawa wawa kulera.
Mama Lubrido, Manugu ni Sabo Nuguchi, Aluwa Hagulara Nilura.
Viviendo, no agula nugubana. Sami, waku waku nugile.
Nubali Bidienu, Nuagula Nugubala.
Sami, waku waku nugile.
Oha Olugaya, Pumanu Amelidaya, Oha Lisiaya, Nugutita Bidalnie.
Uwasakaraya, kono wawa wawa kulera.
Oha Olugaya, Pumanu Amelidaya,
for staying up with
La
me
memoria,
this late.
Polo Martínez.
DJ La Buga live and direct.
Oye, su
Garifuna
Garifuna.
music and talk every Wednesday from 8:30 to 10:30 p.m. So we want to say goodbye with this song by Estrella Subo. This is a special request from my wife Cheryl. And I want to thank Erika Zúñiga, my beautiful wife Cheryl, Yolanda Savio, Dora Valenzuela. I want to thank Maritza Palacios, Dale Ogaldes in Chicago. Also, let's see who else. Many, many people who are listening throughout the night. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Clara Santos Shepherd, also listening. Let's see, Roman Marin, Alejandra Figueroa, Milagrito, Jorge Amilcar Ellington listening live. Also, Carlos Lopez from Hollywood, California, of course. Eva del Rey listening in La Buga, Livingston, along with Celso, right along Barrio Guamilitu in La Buga, Livingston. Arufo Dahati, Frank Palacio, thank you for listening tonight. Ivan Martinez, the Guanaragua dancer from the Guanaragua group in Los Angeles, thank you. Chocolá Alvarez, Chuguladi Alvarez listening. Elia Susana Fuentes Garcia, and of course, many of you who I don't have you as my friend on the Facebook page of Ronnie Figueroa, Sandra Lam as well, Jerry Castro Cayetano, Eva del Rey, I said, from La Buga Livingston, and many more. So be my friend on Facebook, and you could also not only listen to the songs that we play, but you could also read the names of the songs. Hector Zapata Garifuna, thank you so much for being with us. And my African friend from Nigeria, Namani Ndiaye, listening, of course, más conocida como Erika. Thank you so much, Michael Flores, and everybody out there in Belize listening. So we say goodbye with this song called Ayo Ayo by Estrellas Ubo. Kemutia wabinaha wafeduha.
This is Radio Centroamerica with DJ La Buga, Garifuna Music and Talk. Listen to my program every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. until 10:30 p.m. on www.radiocentroamerica.com, or you could download TuneIn to listen live every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Ayo, Gutiguño, Gutiguño, no adago, anigo.
Estrella subo, alo heina ukundani, ama umadago. Kuidula wana bugo, kolona dura kubeyu. Mamogo, ere wa mamuga. Thank you, Wanyabu, Oyengo, Gitani, Wanyabu. Natanya, Misanibu, Eremu, Hamo. Nati, Malabu, Sukate, Luparobo. Aquí está, las estrellas subo, buscando alegría y también unión. Llevémonos bien para que ilumine el sol. La estrella subo y poder ser fuertes. Juntos, tomados
gonna be happy. Gracias a Dios por lo que nos da. Te damos gracias a Nati Oyengo, te deseamos paz. Nati, aquí están tus hijos cantándote de todo corazón. Titula Wanagu, Wampalula Duragu, Bello.